Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture of network analysis, I am going to talk about the source shifting theorems or source shifting techniques and some numerical based on that. So after studying this presentation, you will be able to understand the concept of voltage source shifting and concept of technique. Okay. So this is the voltage source shifting. Suppose I have one like that. Suppose करो कि I have given these resistances. Two resistances are there, right? R1 and R2, and here voltage source is given. This is connected to ground. This is the value of V, and I want to simplify this diagram, right? This is point A, say C, say D, like that. So how will you simplify it? Now you can say, sir, these two R1 and R2 in parallel make it one, and this resistance series with the voltage source. So you can simplify, but I don't know condition here. इसके आगे क्या है? How can you say these two in parallel? Suppose यहाँ एक resistance और है, कुछ और something is there. So you can't say, right? But what is the voltage of A point? Potential of A is what? With reference to ground, you can say yes, V. What is the potential of B? With reference to this ground, again V. So in place of that, can we say like that? R1, R2, this point C, this is D. यहाँ का potential क्या है? V है ना? With reference to this. Yes. In place, what was the potential of B here? V था. So in place of that, can we like this? अब B potential of B कितना है? अभी भी V है. So in place of one source, I have removed, I have connected one voltage source here, right? So now can we say these two voltage source and resistance in series? Yes, they are in series. So we can convert it to current source and resistance will come in parallel. Similarly, this voltage source and R1 both are in again series. You can convert into current source, clear, and this resistance will come in parallel. So this technique is called as voltage source shifting. Is it clear? In place of one source I am connecting, I have removed it here, open it, and यहाँ एक source और लगा दिया, same value of V. So this is called as voltage source shifting, right? This concept is called as voltage source shifting. The shifting of voltage source is also known as E-shifting method. This is also known as E-shifting method. While the current source shifting को क्या दूसरा नाम क्या बोलते हैं? I source shifting, I shifting method, right? So I'm rubbing it here. Okay. Current source shifting. Now see here, I have current source is coming from C to A. Clear? This is the node A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so can I change this to like this Z1? This is Z2. This is C point. This was B. This was A. Or here connected here. Current was going from C to A. In place of one current source, can I make like that? Because earlier we can't say this Z1 and Z2 in series because यहाँ से अगर ये connect नहीं होता, so you can say Z1 and Z2 in series and this series combination connected in parallel with the I. But यहाँ एक C point connected है like this, so you can't say this Z1 and Z2 in series. यहाँ कुछ हो सकता है. So in place of that, सपोज करो यू आर गोइंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, ए टू सी टू ए, लेकिन अगर आपको थोड़ी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्लियर ना? सिमिलरली हियर, in place of here to here, like that. Now here you can say I and Z1 both are in parallel, you can convert into voltage source. I and Z2 in parallel, you can convert into voltage source, and you can simplify the network. So this is called as current source shifting technique. In place of going A to C to A, I am going to C to B, B to A. It will not affect the current through other branches. So this is called as current source shifting. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to discuss one numerical based on the voltage source shifting. This is the make use of source shifting procedure. Simplify the circuit shown in figure and find Vx. ये voltage निकालना है. Find Vx. Okay. So you can see here. You can't. You can see here. This is the 2-volt source and 2 ohm. They are not in series because यहाँ से एक और resistance जा रहा है. Clear? So अगर आपको उसको simplify करना है तो you can't simplify it. But you can say, suppose this point connected to ground, this point connected to ground. So what is the potential of this point? 2 volt. What is the potential of this point? 2 volt. तो आप चाहो तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं क्या? 3 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm, Vx, 5 ohm. It is what? 2 ohm. This is 2, this is 3. यहाँ ये 2 वोल्ट पहले था, यहाँ का व्हाट वाज द पोटेंशियल हियर? 2 वोल्ट. सो 2 वोल्ट का सोर्स लगा दिया, ग्राउंड है ये. यहाँ का पोटेंशियल कितना था? 3 ओम. सो यहाँ पर भी एक सोर्स लगा दिया 3 ओम का. So this is, we have used what? Source shifting. Earlier it was the voltage here is 2 volt. यहाँ पर भी तो 2 वोल्ट था, तो मैंने यहाँ क्या कर दिया, एक कट करके 2 सोर्स लगा दिए 2 वोल्ट के. क्लियर? सो you can say, now you can say these two voltage source and resistance in series, you can go for source transformation. This 2 volt and 3 ohm in series, you can go for source transformation. That is the simplification technique. So before going in this way, पहले मैं एक सबको नाम देता हूँ. This is X, this is X, this is Y, this is Z. I have 3 nodes. इसके अलावा कोई नोड हो तो बोलो. नहीं है. So we have 3 nodes X, Y, Z. So I am taking X here, Y here, Z here. Okay. Now X to Z क्या है? 5 ohm. X to Z. X to Z 5 ohm. This X to Y कितना है? 1 ohm. X to Y 1 ohm. क्लियर? Y to Z कितना है? Y to Z 2 ohm. Y to Z 2 ohm. Right? Okay. It is as it. Now you can say X to Z क्या है? 2 volt and 2 ohm connected in series. So can we convert into current source? Yes, you can convert into current source. So I am going to convert into current source, right? I am going to convert into current source. So just I am going to use. So this voltage source and कहाँ connect है? Y और Z के बीच में. So I am converting it to current source. So I equal to क्या आएगा? V by Z, between Y and Z. Y की तरफ प्लस है तो एरो हेड Y की तरफ आएगा. कितना आएगा? I equal to V by R. 2/2 is 1 ampere. क्लियर? एंड ये जो 2 ओम सीरीज में था वो कहाँ आ जाएगा? पैरेलल में. ओके. सिमिलरली ये 2 and 3 both are in series, 2 volt and 3 ohm resistance series. कहाँ connect है? Between X and Z. So X and Z. एरो प्लस कहाँ था? टूवर्ड्स X, तो X की तरफ एरो हेड आएगा. 2 I equal to V by Z, 2 by 3, that is 0.666 एम्पियर between like this. and ये जो रेजिस्टेंस था 3 वो कहाँ आएगा? पैरेलल में. Okay, that is the diagram. Next diagram, you can say this 2 and 2 ohm कहाँ कनेक्ट है? Y और Z के बीच में. They are in parallel, so make it 1. You can say this 3 ohm and this 5 ohm कहाँ connect between X and Z? Between X and Z. So they are also in parallel, make it 1. So अगला डायग्राम क्या आएगा? X, Y, Z कितना है? X to Z कितना है? 0.666 एम्पियर. This 3 and 5 parallel. So 3 into 5, 15 upon 3 plus 5, 8. ये आएगा X to Z कितना आएगा? Resistance 3 and 5 parallel. 3 into 5, 15 upon 8. 15 divided by 8. I am getting 1.875. 1.875 ohm. Right? Similarly, this is ये 1 ohm है. 1 ohm. This 2 and 2 parallel. Equal value in parallel, it is half. 1 ohm. और ये 1 एम्पियर का सोर्स है यहाँ पर. ओके, नेक्स्ट सिंप्लीफाई करना है तो ये जो है आई एम गोइंग टू यूज अगेन न्यू इंक. ओके, so you can say these two are in parallel, current source and resistance parallel. You can convert into voltage source. So X, Y, Z, clear? X and Y, X, Y, Z. So Y and Z के बीच में current source and resistance in parallel, you can convert into voltage source और resistance will come in series. यहाँ आएगा series 1 or that value voltage source between X, Y and Z. So 1 into 1 volt, 1 ohm series. This is what? ये 1 ohm already है, ये वाला X and Y के बीच में. ये कितना है? X and Z के बीच में कितना है? 1.875. और ये कितना है? करंट सोर्स 1.666. ओके, एम्पियर. नेक्स्ट डायग्राम, you can say now Y is not a junction. पहले earlier it was a junction, but अभी क्या हो गया? एक हो गया. So this 1 ohm and this 1 ohm both are in series. So कितना आएगा? 2 ohm. 2 ohm connected in series with the voltage source. Clear? Y is not a junction. अभी junction क्या है? X और Z. Z connected to ground. Okay. So ये 2 ohm connected in series with the voltage source. आप चाहो तो उसको current source में convert कर सकते हो. तो ये already कितना था? करंट सोर्स 0.666. ये पहले से था ये वाला. कहाँ कनेक्ट है? X और Z के बीच में. क्लियर? दिस 1 ohm and this 1 ohm both are in series. 2 ohm connected in series with the voltage source. So अगर आप कन्वर्ट करेंगे करंट सोर्स में तो करंट की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? प्लस कहाँ है? ऊपर है, तो दैट इज एरो हेड कितना आएगा? I इक्वल टू V बाई जेड. V कितना? 1 बाई जेड 2 है. V बाई R 1 बाई 2 मतलब 0.5 एम्पियर. और ये 2 ओम पैरेलल में आ जाएगा 2. और ऑलरेडी ये 1.875 पैरेलल है. 1.875 X and Z के बीच में, राइट? Between X and Z. Now you can say between X and Z, two current sources are there. I am going again use the new ink. Source, these two current source in parallel, same direction, so can we add it? Yes. अब एक नया डायग्राम मैं यहाँ यूज करता हूँ. These two current source I have, कितना आएगा? This plus this 0.5 plus 1.666, you will get 1.166 ampere, right? And this is point X and this point Z connected to ground, or these two resistance in parallel. So 2 and 1.875 parallel. So इसको एक कर लेते हैं. What is the value of resistance? 2 into 1.875. 2 into 1.875 upon 2 plus 1.875, that is 3.8, sorry, 875. I am getting 0.966, 0.967, 0.967. अब ये जो 1.16 करंट आ रहा है वो ऐसे ही जाएगा ना, इन दिस वे. सो Vx इक्वल टू व्हाट? Vx इक्वल टू V इक्वल टू I इंटू R. I कितना है? 1.166. R कितना है? 0.967. So into 1.166. So I am getting voltage of 1.12. Vx equal to what? 1.12 volt. That is the answer. 1.12. Please read it carefully. This is very simple problem. I have given this diagram. Clear? So in this diagram, यहाँ का earlier it was the voltage of 2 volt. क्योंकि ये इसको एक नहीं कर सकते. You can't simplify. You can solve the problem by KVL. You can solve the problem by KCL. But I have given find the current through a particular branch or voltage at a particular point. बाय सिंप्लीफिकेशन टेक्निक. तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन में सोर्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आता है. सोर्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हम लगा नहीं सकते. क्यों नहीं लगा सकते? कोई सीरीज वगैरह नहीं है. तो मैंने क्या किया है, यहाँ का पोटेंशियल पहले 2 वोल्ट था, यहाँ पर भी 2 वोल्ट था, तो मैंने यहाँ 2 वोल्ट रखा, एक सोर्स लगा के इसको कट कर दिया, यहाँ पर कट कर दिया, ये ओपन कर दिया और यहाँ 2 वोल्ट का सोर्स लगा दिया, लाइक दैट, राइट. ये डायग्राम. अब यू कैन से दिस टू इन सीरीज, दिस टू इन सीरीज. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए पहले मैंने क्या कर दिया है, नोड निकाल दिए. कितने नोड है? एक्स है, वाई है और जेड है. तो मैंने एक लाइन में ले लिया एक्स वाई जेड. इट इज बेटर टेक ऑल नोड्स इन द सेम लाइन. ओके, वही डायग्राम मैंने सिंप्लीफाई डायग्राम ड्रा कर दिया एंड देन सोर्स ट्रांसफॉर्म करके इसको सॉल्व किया, फिर इसको किया, ऐसा ऐसा जाके आई विल गो. Okay, so this is the simplest way. Draw more and more figure. Clear? Your concept will be clear, and then what we have to do? Use the source shifting, then source transformation, again source shifting, source transformation, like that, and you will get. Simplify करना मतलब छोटा डायग्राम करते जाओ धीरे 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 and खत्म कर दो उसको. Answer is 1.12 volt, right? So I'm rubbing it. Okay. Only I have taken one numerical based on the source shifting. Few more numerical I am going to take next part. So that will be useful for getting the knowledge. And if you simplify कैसे करना है, that concept you will get from here. Okay. So thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.